Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking time out of your day to come join us as we celebrate an amazing accomplishment today. My name is Laura Traylor and I am the Regional Field Coordinator from Rappahannock Emergency Medical Services Council, or the RIMS Council as we call ourselves. We are a nonprofit community organization formed in 1976 to serve planning districts 9 and 16. Our mission is to facilitate the development and continued operation of a high-quality, dedicated, and coordinated emergency response and preparedness system. And we want you to know that the EMS system is more than just picking you up at the house and taking you to the hospital. And to that end, we have a community program, COPE, Community Outreach and Patient Engagement. It was formed 4 years ago to expand and transform the delivery of services to the citizens in our community. So to give you a little background of how we wound up here today, in March of 2022, the COPE team met with then Mayor of Fredericksburg, Mary Catherine Greenlaw, to emphasize the significance of stroke awareness and education and advocate for Fredericksburg to be designed a stroke smart city. 2 months later, she was on fire. The mayor issued a proclamation designating the Fredericksburg region as a stroke smart city. Consequently, a task force was established comprising of a diverse group of individuals from a wide variety of organizations, which included the YMCA and citizenry, to launch a campaign to promote stroke smart awareness and education.
I'm so honored to be here, and just to give you a little bit of background about me and Mary Washington, we were the first certified primary stroke center in the region. We were certified as a stroke center in 2009, and we continue to hold that certification. We're up for renewal this year. And what that means is that we're bringing stroke care to the community. I mean, Mary Washington Healthcare has been around for over 100 years, and our mission really is to improve the health of the people in the community. And we do that by providing a lot of community education. And as part of the stroke program, we willingly provide that education out to the public. And we do that with the help of our stroke survivors. The Stroke Smart initiative really did start a few years ago. As Laura mentioned, we adopted that as Stroke Smart Fredericksburg 2 years ago, and it's going strong. So by educating our community members on how to identify the signs of stroke and the urgent importance of calling 911, the Rappahannock Area YMCA is empowering all of their associates to take proactive measures in safeguarding the health of the people in the community, because that's your mission as well.
And so I do want to say congratulations to the YMCA for being our region's first Stroke Smart organization. And your efforts are making a difference, and wanted to share this story with you where you could see how those efforts are making that difference. So this event took place at the King George YMCA, and it happened in early 2023. And there was a gentleman that was at the YMCA working out in the gym, and he began experiencing signs and symptoms of a stroke. And a staff member who had been trained to recognize stroke from this initiative alerted the manager, and they recognized it was an emergency, and they called 911. And that just makes all the difference. That's really what Stroke Smart and becoming a Stroke Smart champion is all about. This patient had a positive outcome. They did see the symptoms resolved, and they wouldn't have that positive outcome if it didn't start at the very beginning. And that's where you have trained your staff to recognize stroke and know that it's an emergency and call 911.
Well, it's such a pleasure to be here today representing Mary Washington Healthcare. Our organization has been involved with Stroke Smart Fredericksburg since its inception, helping to raise stroke awareness and improve outcomes for our neighbors. As part of this initiative, Mary Washington Healthcare has collaborated closely with local schools, medical practices, and of course organizations like the Rappahannock Area YMCA to bring Stroke Smart to the community. Through our partnership, Mary Washington Healthcare and the Rappahannock Area YMCA have worked together to ensure that the YMCA staff are equipped with the knowledge and the skills to recognize the signs and symptoms of stroke and to respond appropriately in emergency situations, as Tina outlined for us today. Stroke education and resources have also been offered to YMCA members and guests, empowering them to take important steps in stroke prevention and response. So today we recognize the Rappahannock Area YMCA for demonstrating its unwavering commitment to the health and well-being of people in our community. It's a great pleasure to recognize and honor the Rappahannock Area YMCA for its outstanding commitment to becoming the first Stroke Smart organization in the Fredericksburg region. On behalf of our entire community, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the YMCA for achieving this remarkable milestone. Your dedication to promoting stroke awareness and the prevention of strokes is truly commendable, and we're so grateful for your invaluable contribution to the health and safety of our community. At this time, I'll ask representatives from each YMCA location to come forward to receive your award.
I do want to thank Mary Washington Healthcare. Our history goes way back into the 70s when the YMCA first started. We needed the leaders in this community to really help us and to step up. And if it wasn't for partners like Mary Washington Healthcare, and at that time I think it was just Mary Washington Hospital, but over the years they've grown and they've done a tremendous job in this region. The hospital has been an incredible asset to this region, and now it is a trauma center, and just the work they do is incredible. We have many people. The YMCA and our 4 Ys now in the region, in the Planning District 16, has over 30,000 members. And many people utilize our YMCA through programs that may not be members. So it is incumbent upon us as staff to learn as much as we can to keep our participants and members safe. And so I'm honored and I'm proud that the YMCA is one of those entities that all of our staff will be on the alert to recognize people from facial expressions, from muscles going limp, to speech impairment. All of those indicators will allow us and avail us to help not only save a life, but to help their quality of life by reacting more quickly. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all from Mary Washington Healthcare for the work that you do and keeping us all safe. And we're very honored at the YMCA to continue that message and do the work that we can do to help leverage that and exponentially increase the efforts. So thank you very much.
I do want to say that it's been a great partnership that we've had with you at the Rappahannock Area YMCA, and of course with our Rappahannock EMS Council, really bringing all of these groups together that are all committed to the community and improving the health in the community, and we really couldn't have done it without that partnership. So I just want to say congratulations once again to the Rappahannock Area YMCA, all of the branches, for really taking the time to educate. We educated everybody on stroke, and Jillian was a big force in that, to become the very first Stroke Smart organization in the region, which is very significant, and I'm just so excited about that. Your dedication to promoting stroke awareness and ensuring community safety is really commendable, and I hope that other organizations in this community look at you as an example and that they want to do the same thing. So we're really hoping that's how it's going to spread, by that example that you're setting. So let's continue to work together, REMS, Mary Washington, and the YMCA, to create healthier and safer communities. And thank you to our stroke survivors and caregivers, and for all the associates here and guests that have come out to help support this remarkable achievement.